welcomes each and every one of you because Mercedes-Benz is a truck you can trust.
Thank you to you, our customers, who have stood by the Actros, even during recent difficult times when getting stocks was a problem. And thank you also to Mercedes-Benz for agreeing to let us assemble the Actros here. It was not an easy task, but they believed in us, and here we are today launching the assembly of the Actros.
The key success factor is to maintain close contact between the private sector, us, and the governments, the authorities, in order to implement the best automotive policies.
Kenya is the first country outside South Africa, in the whole of Sub-Sahara, to build the beast that you're going to see tonight.
It's not only about production, not only about trucks, but it's also about people. This is really an achievement, and I would like also to convey from the German government all our best wishes to this new endeavor, new chapter.
If you want to manufacture, to assemble, to add value here in Kenya, you will have a very good friend and a big friend in myself and the President and the government of the Republic. Our commitments to value addition to manufacturing is on top of our agenda. But now it is my distinguished pleasure to officially launch the Beast and welcome the Beast to Kenya.
Today is a very exciting day. This is to see the launch of the Beast. That is the Actros 3340 assembled in Kenya. We want the customers to be more on the road, more comfortable, less fatigue. And with this, it means that the driver, who is basically the one using the truck, will be able to do longer hours, which will mean that the owner of the truck is able to get more loads on the road and be able to get more returns. I've been saving on the fuel, which definitely in Kenya has gone so high, and also with the driver comfortability and with the ergonomics, you find that it is the best truck in the market right now. We are adding value with the 3340 and the 2640 by giving what we call service contracts. A service contract is a form of agreement. We come with the customer so that we can give peace of mind to the customer. So you concentrate on your job to transport, and us as DT Dobie, we concentrate on the job to maintain and make sure that the truck is on the road.
There is a lot of technology transfer in terms of handling the truck when it comes in as pieces. For the younger people who are coming up, eventually there is the part on local content, which will obviously spur up growth. The product is coming from our local assembly plants, and one thing for sure, it is built to the level of any other plant that build Actros around the world.
We've come a long way as a company, as a country, as a business. It's basically the unveiling of what I call the Beast, the Mercedes Actros 3340 that is built in Kenya. This model has been in Kenya for many years. The good news for the customer is that we brought it closer home, where it is now being built in Kenya at a much competitive price. So what they will get is, with the regulations in Kenya, with automotive policy, the assistance we get from the Kenyan government. So we're now having a product that is much more competitive compared to the concrete built units that we used to import in Kenya. It is the victory for DT Dobie, but a victory for Kenya, the first country in the sub-Saharan market outside South Africa to produce this vehicle locally.